15 interesting and strange facts about squirrels you might not know. Squirrels, these small and lovable rodents, are among the animals that have captured the attention of many people. Whether in cities and parks or forests and wildlife, they have become one of the favorite animals among children and adults due to their cute appearance and quick, agile movements. This popularity has led squirrels to feature as characters in many films and animations. Animated characters like Scrat from the Ice Age film series or Chip and Dale in Disney animations are just examples of the imaginative portrayals of these creatures in popular culture. Unfortunately, much of the public's knowledge about these fascinating animals is limited. Often, when the name squirrel comes up, most people think of a squirrel that loves acorns and is on a quest to store them for winter. Perhaps this simple image has prevented many of us from understanding the complexities of squirrels' lives and their astonishing abilities. In fact, squirrels are among the smartest and most diverse rodents on Earth, possessing extraordinary characteristics that make them one of nature's remarkable creatures. The world of squirrels is full of mysteries and interesting points that few people are aware of. From their variety of species and sizes to their social behaviors and special abilities, each of these points can lead to a better understanding of these small animals. For this reason, in this video, we aim to introduce you to 15 interesting and lesser-known facts about squirrels, facts that you may not have noticed before. Each of these points illustrates a different aspect of squirrels' lives and shows that they are more than just a small creature fond of acorns. From the various species of squirrels that inhabit the world to their behavioral and dietary habits, these animals are so diverse and complex that every time we read more about them, we can learn new things. Let's take a closer look at the world of squirrels and become familiar with the incredible features and behaviors of these small creatures. So get ready to encounter some of the most interesting and fascinating facts about squirrels, facts you might have never considered before. There are over 200 species of squirrels worldwide. Squirrels belong to a family of mammals known as Sciuridae, which encompasses a wide range of species. These species include tree squirrels, ground squirrels, chipmunks, a type of small ground squirrel, marmots, prairie dogs, and even flying squirrels. This family includes over 200 different species that are scattered around the world. Squirrels can be found on most continents, from the dense forests of Africa to the cold, high-altitude forests of Siberia and the tropical regions of Southeast Asia. However, they are not native to two continents, Australia and Antarctica, and are not found in these areas. Different squirrel species inhabit diverse habitats. Some, like tree squirrels, are more commonly found in forested areas, while ground squirrels are found in plains and open regions. The diversity of squirrel species allows these animals to play various roles in natural ecosystems, from seed storage to assisting in the dispersal of various plant species. Squirrels vary in size. Squirrels come in a wide range of sizes, with different species showing significant differences in body size. The smallest squirrel species in the world is the African pygmy squirrel, which measures only 12 to 14 centimeters in length and weighs around 10 grams. These small squirrels primarily inhabit tropical regions and dense forests in Africa and can easily navigate narrow branches of trees due to their small size and quick movements. In contrast, the Indian giant squirrel and the giant red and white flying squirrels are among the largest squirrel species. These squirrels can measure over 91 centimeters in length and weigh several kilograms. Indian giant squirrels come in various colors, including black, brown, and orange, and are famous for their stunning appearance and large size. The Chinese flying squirrel is also known for its long jumping ability and thin skin, which allows it to glide between trees. These giant animals are so large that they resemble mythical creatures from a distance. Squirrels have 4 incisors that grow at a remarkable rate. One of the prominent features of squirrels is their 4 incisors in both the upper and lower jaws, which grow continuously. These teeth grow at a rate of about 15 centimeters per year. The reason for this continuous growth is the constant use of their teeth for cracking nuts and seeds, as well as gnawing on wood and soil to hide food. If a squirrel's teeth do not grow continuously, they may wear down quickly and lose their functionality. As a result, this characteristic helps squirrels maintain sharp and suitable teeth for feeding and defense. In addition to their continuous growth, these teeth have a very resilient structure. Their enamel coating is designed to be highly resistant to wear. However, squirrels instinctively chew on various materials like wood and stone to prevent their teeth from overgrowing. If their teeth grow excessively, it can lead to serious issues for their feeding and even survival. Squirrels have been responsible for hundreds of power outages in the United States. It may be hard to believe, but squirrels have been responsible for hundreds of power outages across the United States in the past 30 years. These small animals, due to their interest in chewing hard materials, sometimes attack electrical cables and electronic equipment. Given that electrical cables cannot withstand the pressure of squirrels' powerful teeth, the result of this activity often leads to power outages in various regions. One of the largest and most well-known outages occurred in 1987, causing the NASDAQ stock market in New York to shut down for several hours. Similarly, in 1994, another power outage disrupted financial activities in the market. Reports indicate that squirrels are responsible for network disruptions in the US even more than hackers and cyber vandals. In some areas, power companies continuously face issues with squirrels attacking their equipment and have implemented specific security measures to protect the electrical grid. These power outages not only cause economic problems but also pose serious risks to public safety. Adult tree squirrels usually live alone. Adult tree squirrels often live alone and are highly territorial. They spend most of their time gathering food and maintaining their nests. Tree squirrels build small nests called drays, made from branches and leaves, situated among the branches of trees. These nests are usually small and compact, accommodating only one adult squirrel. However, in conditions where extreme cold puts pressure on them, tree squirrels may group together in one nest to share body warmth and protect themselves from the cold. This behavior is often observed during winter in colder regions. In this situation, several squirrels may gather in one nest and temporarily coexist with each other to increase their chances of survival in harsh conditions. Additionally, young squirrels sometimes remain in their mother's nest until maturity before seeking to build their new, independent nests. Prairie dogs, the most social squirrels living in underground cities. Among squirrels, there are species that, unlike tree squirrels, exhibit social and group living. One such species is the prairie dog. Prairie dogs are indeed squirrels known for their unique social behavior. They live in large, organized colonies that can be described as underground cities. These colonies consist of complex tunnels and underground chambers, each designed for specific purposes, including sleeping and food storage, as well as nurseries for their young. These colonies can be incredibly vast. One of the largest colonies of prairie dogs discovered in Texas spans over 160 kilometers wide and 402 kilometers long, estimated to house around 400 million prairie dogs. Furthermore, prairie dogs possess a highly complex communication system. They communicate with each other through chirping sounds, each having a specific meaning, including warnings about the presence of predators or signaling food locations. These social squirrels have one of the most complex social structures among rodents. Squirrels are omnivores with a diverse diet. At first glance, one might think that squirrels only feed on nuts and seeds, but in reality, their diet is much more diverse. An adult squirrel typically requires about 450 grams of food per week. Tree squirrels primarily feed on nuts, seeds, fruits, and dried fruits. However, they can turn to other food sources in emergencies and when their favorite food is not available. Gray squirrels, especially in urban areas and parks, are omnivorous. They may consume insects, snails, bird eggs, and even carcasses of dead animals. However, unlike other rodents, squirrels lack the ability to vomit, so consuming spoiled carcasses or contaminated materials can be dangerous for them. Squirrels must continuously consume food throughout the day to meet their energy needs. One reason squirrels are constantly gathering and storing food is to rely on their reserves when food resources become limited. The hunting of squirrels has a long history in America. In the history of the United States, hunting squirrels for food has a long-standing tradition. Native Americans and later European settlers hunted squirrels as an important food source. Squirrel meat, especially from gray squirrels and flying squirrels, has been popular in many regions of America due to its delicious taste. In the early 20th century, squirrel hunting was a common activity among rural residents. Over time, as food culture in America changed, interest in squirrel meat decreased. However, hunting squirrels for food remains common in some areas, particularly in the southern and central United States. Some hunters seek flying squirrel meat, which has a unique flavor. Additionally, squirrels are part of the food chain for many natural predators such as snakes, coyotes, owls, and hawks. Generally, hunting squirrels is one of the natural factors controlling the population of these animals in their environment. Squirrels manage their food supplies with precision. One of the most astonishing characteristics of squirrels is their ability to manage food supplies with great precision. Squirrels collect and store food for winter, often hiding thousands of nuts and seeds in various places. They rely on their excellent memory to locate these hidden food supplies later. Research has shown that squirrels can remember the locations of many of their food caches. Some studies indicate that they have the capacity to recall up to 95% of the food items they have hidden. Interestingly, squirrels often bury nuts in places where they can easily find them later. They tend to bury nuts in various types of soil and frequently return to check on their stashes, ensuring they are safe and well maintained. In winter, when food resources are scarce, squirrels can rely on their hidden reserves to survive. This behavior highlights their incredible memory and the adaptation strategies that squirrels have developed to thrive in changing environmental conditions. Flying squirrels can glide. Flying squirrels are known for their remarkable ability to glide through the air. Unlike birds or bats, flying squirrels do not have wings but instead possess a thin membrane of skin called the patagium that stretches from their wrists to their ankles. This unique structure allows them to glide between trees and cover distances of up to 150 meters in a single leap. This ability enables them to escape predators, move between feeding sites, and explore their habitat more effectively. Flying squirrels are nocturnal creatures, which makes them more active at night. This behavior provides them with an advantage in avoiding daytime predators like hawks and owls. Additionally, their large eyes enable them to see well in low-light conditions. The flying squirrel's unique adaptations allow it to be highly efficient in utilizing tree canopy habitats and finding food at night. Squirrels can jump up to 10 times their body length. One of the unique physical features of squirrels is their incredible jumping ability. Squirrels can jump distances that are nearly 10 times their body length. This incredible skill is aided by their strong hind legs, which allow them to make impressive leaps. They can jump up to 3 meters in height and leap up to 10 meters horizontally when crossing branches and gaps between trees. This ability to jump not only helps squirrels navigate their environments but also enables them to escape predators and search for food. Squirrels are known to use their agility and jumping skills to move quickly through trees, allowing them to dodge threats and capture food. This remarkable ability showcases their incredible strength and agility, making them one of the best jumpers among mammals. Some squirrels can be found in urban environments. Squirrels have adapted remarkably well to urban environments, often becoming a common sight in parks and gardens. This adaptability has made squirrels popular among city dwellers, who often enjoy watching these lively creatures. Squirrels can thrive in cities due to their intelligence and resourcefulness in finding food, as well as their ability to navigate human environments. Many urban areas have become ideal habitats for squirrels due to the abundance of trees, parks, and green spaces that provide suitable nesting and food sources. In these urban areas, squirrels often forage for food in gardens, dumpsters, and trash cans, leading to their frequent interactions with humans. Squirrels have also adapted their behavior to avoid certain threats posed by urban life, such as traffic and other urban hazards. As a result, they can thrive in areas where other wildlife may struggle. Squirrels can communicate with each other. Communication among squirrels is a fascinating aspect of their social behavior. Squirrels have a range of vocalizations and body language that they use to convey information to one another. They produce various sounds, including chirps, barks, and whistles, each with a specific meaning. Chirping sounds are often used to signal alarm or warn other squirrels about the presence of predators, while other calls can indicate the discovery of food or attract mates. In addition to vocal communication, squirrels also use body language, such as tail movements and posturing, to express their feelings and intentions. For instance, a squirrel may raise its tail to signal aggression or caution when faced with a threat. This complex communication system allows squirrels to cooperate in their activities and enhance their chances of survival in their environments. Through these social interactions, squirrels form a connection that helps them navigate their daily lives effectively. Thank you for watching this video on 15 interesting and strange facts about squirrels. We hope you enjoyed learning more about these remarkable creatures. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. Your engagement means a lot to us.